Hey everybody, I'm DJ Jazzy Jeff. Most of the time you can find me here on the ones and twos working out the next magnificent mix. But what you might not know is I like to get my grill on and create some magnificent meals for my family. So to help you get your summer celebration started, we got some food recipes to share with you from some big names in the chef game. So whether you watching while laying by the pool or guarding the grill, let's get it started. My man Chef David is joining us from the ATL with something saucy to get the party going. So tell us what you got cooking up, Chef David.
Thank you so much for having me. And today I have the perfect appetizer for summer with my grilled Asian shrimp skewers with an almond satay sauce and a mango salsa. It's going to be so good. So first things first, we gotta season it. Chinese 5-spice, it has anise, it has fennel, a little bit of salt, smoked paprika, because we are smoking and grilling, so why not? White pepper, garlic powder, and sugar. So you mix that all together till everything is nice and incorporated. A little bit of olive oil. Oh yeah, it's already good. Pro tip when it comes to skewering the shrimp, double skewer the shrimp. Double up so that way you're ensuring the shrimp does not fall through the grate of the grill. All right, like so. So you just add them right in here to a medium-high heat grill, and you let that go for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side so they're nice and caramelized and crusty. What I want to jump into next is our almond satay sauce. And I made that with our amazing, delicious, creamy, Simple Truth almond butter. A little bit of olive oil. Into the pan like so. So into there we add lemongrass, gives you a nice little citrus aromatic note. A little bit of garlic, cause what's a sauce without garlic, am I right? Come on, people. And I wanna add some red curry Thai paste. Let it caramelize, and you let those flavors and aromas permeate. All right, so to that, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. What we add next now is that creamy, dreamy, Simple Truth almond butter I was telling you about. And this right here is gonna transform it from good to amazing. A little bit of body, a little bit of texture, and all flavor. And what I like to do, if you wanna jazz it up a little bit, is use some of the Private Selection spicy Hunan style stir fry sauce. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of spicy, and give you a nice umami flavor in your sauce. And a little bit of sugar. It's creamy, it's nutty, it's almond satay for the party. We wanna have a mango salsa. So I add mangoes to the bowl. To that, I'm gonna add jalapenos, cause you gotta have a little spice in your life, baby. We add red onions, and to bring it all together, I'm gonna add a little bit of mango nectar, a little bit of fresh lime juice, a little pinch of salt. So let's check on our shrimp over here, guys. Oh, beautiful. You see that? We have here our almond satay sauce, a little bit of that right there in the middle. Put your shrimp like that in the middle. Beautiful. Just put the salsa right over the shrimp. Wow, wow, that is so good. This satay will keep the party going all summer long. Jeff, take it away. Summertime, my friend.
We're bringing you another grill favorite because no backyard barbecue is complete without some good old-fashioned burgers. But we got something extra special going on in these sliders. Chef Jamika is here to show us her take on a barbecue classic and give us her secrets on how to grill up the perfect burger. Chef Jamika, take it away.
I'm Jamika Pessoa, and I'm making a barbecue favorite, burgers. But not just any burgers, we're making whiskey barbecue burger sliders. And I got a cool way to show you how to do this. So we're starting here with a bowl of 2 pounds of 80-20 lean ground beef. And you can also use a plant-based beef if you'd like. You want to measure out even portions. This recipe should make about 12 sliders. Start to shape your burger patties. Keep them nice and round around the edges. And then I like to put a little dimple right in the middle, and that will minimize our shrinkage while we're cooking. Now, I did mention a cool way to make your burgers. We're gonna put them inside of a muffin tin. Now, I know you're like, a muffin tin for a burger? Yes, because think about it. When you put your burgers on the grill, what happens? They fall apart when you try to flip them, or you get that grease flare up and it's like they're charred on the outside and raw on the inside. But you put them in a muffin tin, they stay juicy, no flare ups, and they cook perfectly, right? So I shaped it to about the size of my muffin tin here. I'll do a little bit of salt and pepper on each side. Set your grill to about 300 degrees and you cook them for maybe 12 to 18 minutes depending on your desired doneness. Now I did promise some whiskey barbecue sauce, right? Okay, so now I have in this pan here, I started off with a couple slices of private selection bacon. Then I took the bacon out and I crumbled them up and I set it aside. I have some diced onions here that I cooked in that bacon fat because we want to make sure we keep the flavor. I add in a half a cup of brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce, and of course, the whiskey. Come on. Give that a nice little stir, and you want to let that cook up for about 3 to 4 minutes and let it reduce. Then we need some crunch, some flair for your sliders, right? In this bowl, I have some Kroger cabbage slaw mix, some shredded romaine, and some red onion. Give that a nice little toss. And then for our dressing, it's a basic coleslaw dressing. I've got a little mayonnaise, some honey and some vinegar, salt and pepper. Pour this right over the top. Give it a nice little toss. And you can just let this sit in the fridge just until you're ready to serve up your burgers. Are you ready for this? Ooh, do you see how juicy those burgers are? Look at all that. And I did say we had bacon. We cannot forget the bacon. Toss that in right at the very end. Give it a nice little stir. And I like to finish off my burgers cooking. Put a little bit of that sauce right on top. Beautiful. A toasted slider bun, a little bit of the slaw, and all the sauce she can take. Whiskey barbecue burger sliders. Now that's a party on a plate.
So since we're turning up the heat here, I think it's time to cool down with something fresh and something sweet. Now I'm gonna turn it over to Chef Arnold so he can show us how he's staying cool in the summer heat. Arnold, take it away.
You guys, I'm Chef Arnold Myint, and one thing that I really love during summer is backyard pool parties with my friends. I love the grilling, I love the cool summer side dishes, and I also love fun desserts that take us back to our childhood. And that's what we're doing together today. I'm making ice cream sandwiches. So what I've done here is I've gone to the store and I've grabbed a whole bunch of cookies, and I also took a stroll down the ice cream aisle and picked out some fun new flavors. I mean, we've got like unicorn swirl, mermaid sparkle, matcha green tea. Grab a cookie, place it on a cutting board like this, and then grab some ice cream and place it right in the middle of your cookie. I take a baby spatula or a spoon and I kind of mash it down, and then place the cookie right on top and give it a little squish. And there it is, my ice cream cookie sandwich. How cool does that look? Now to take it to the next level, I have some garnishes here. I have some chocolate chips, some toasted coconut, and some sprinkles. And all I'm gonna do is roll them around for an unforgettable, cool summer treat. I like to use the mini cookies because that way they don't melt down as fast. Take the lid, pop it down and squeeze it. Smooth out the edges. And then roll it in your favorite garnish. I mean, come on now, is this not the coolest treat ever? So fun, so easy, really memorable, and you can also not work too hard and get back to your party. Happy summer, everybody. Enjoy. Be cool.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting pretty hungry now. So I gotta sign off so I can fire up the grill and get cooking. I'm DJ Jazzy Jeff, and I hope you learned some go-to grill recipes that you can recreate yourself. Enjoy the summer, stay cool, but most importantly, stay safe and healthy. See you next time.